Rightio, we're at Wog Wog Car Park in the Budawangs National Park. I'm setting off on an overnight walk. I'm going to walk over to the Castle Car Park over in Moreton National Park and go through the Budawang wilderness area, and it's all been affected by fire a few years ago, so we'll see how the track is and see how we go. Rightio, we're heading out to Corang Arch. This bit of the track is very easy walking. It's like an old road or something. No really hard navigation, which sort of lies you into this false sense of security that the track's like this all the way, and far from it. You know, you need to know how to navigate to go on this part of the world, and it's pretty much just the plod until we get up to the ridge. Then you start seeing all the great views of all the mountains and all the surrounds. We just have to plod along this boring bit at first. Walking in these sort of remote places or anywhere where there's no marked trails, you come across a whole pile of sticks like this across a track. It normally means don't go this way, this track is a dead end, or don't use it anymore, go the other way. Right over in the valley down to the south, you see where the bushfires ripped through, and there's houses down there. That would have been really scary having that fire go through that valley. Only one road in, one road out. Anyway, up on the ridge proper now, and behind me, you might be, it's really cloudy at the moment. You might be able to see with a wide lens. Pigeon house is over there, castle. That's where we're heading over that way. This is sort of like the main part of the Budawangs, all around here. Very nice area. Very remote. Very nice. Anyway, the Pigeon house is actually named by Captain Cookie when he cruised up the coast, because he thought it looked like a pigeon house, you know, what pigeon fanciers have their pigeons living in. Climb one of the highest peaks in the region. Looks like there's a bit of rain over the coast to the east. Hopefully it doesn't come here, but Budawangs always rains. It's over there, you can see the track wanders around there, and that's where we're heading, way over there. And we've got to make our way over to the castle. Rightio, behind me is the famous Corang Arch, as you can see down there. Up the back's the ridge we just come down from, now heading up into some of the valleys. A lot of cloud coming around, don't know if it's going to rain. Hope not, but hey, whatever it does, it does. This is one of the campsites along the track. past another solo bushwalker heading back to Wog Wog, just down at that other camp spot. And interestingly, 200 metres up from that camp spot, there's a brand new drop dunny the national parks have put in. Things have changed since the last time I was here. In the afternoon, mist has set in. Very hard to see all the sights now, all covered in fog. No rain yet though. So that's something. Walking through an area where the bushfires have been all burnt out. National Park's been through and plenty of the tracks up, which is great. The end of day one of the walk. That's probably the only directions you'll find in on this track. Rightio, sun's coming up now, as you can see. The morning birds have taken over from the owls. Got the Budawangs and the lyrebirds all making their morning calls. You can see the area I walked through in the night. Over there, spectacular country. Mist and cloud already starting again today. Oh well, head over to the castle now. You'll see these rock formations, little what people make like cans or cans, whatever, however you want to pronounce it. And some people really like them, some people hate them, but they come in handy sometimes, especially on rock platforms. You'll see a line on them and they'll keep you going to you hit the bush, and then you become then you're back on the track or whatever. But every now and then they'll lead you lead you astray, so you just got to be very careful if you're following them. Now we're heading down the Nibelung Pass. Got some chain installed. Go down. That was very exciting, going down the chain. We're just making our way through Nibelung Pass. Wherever to say it. Yeah, we made it. I made it past the castle, heading down to the car park now.